Hello guys, back again. We're same things again at the Wyndham Resort. The drinks that we can make today is the Yellowbird. Yellowbird is really popular, especially here in Cayman Islands. Really popular, especially in the bar. Also, I got lots of order for this Yellowbird. Rum runners and the other drinks. The rum runner also, they got lots of those, especially during the season. And the Yellowbird, all right. So as you can see, here's all our stocks. We have this nice also spice rum. It's a local spice rum. Really nice, really good. So the drinks that we're gonna make today is the Yellowbird. So glass, highball glass. Okay, Jigger. Anyway, as I told you last time, this is like automatic stopper. So you can just pour a jigger of the gold rum. So just stop. And then 20 of the banana. And then you have to tap the Galliano. This orange juice. 20 of the orange, hey, and then like two jigger of the orange and 2 jigger of the pineapple, and that's your Yellowbird. And then you tap with the Galliano. About 20 ml. And then the garnish. Let me cut the orange. Got it? There we go. That's your Yellowbird. You see it? It's the Yellowbird. Have fun, drinks, don't get drunk, right? Before we end up, actually, I'll give you again a tour of this resort. There's a lot of things you can see, and there's a lot of things you can do in this resort. Always enjoy when you're staying with us because you are on vacation. Why not, right? And I can show you all my colleagues who's working with me, especially Dip. Dip is the man. He's the man. He's the money man. This Dip. Hey, there's the man.
What's up?
This is the bucket man. He always bring a bucket of beer on the beach and make the guests like enjoy. It's fun. It's fun.
Welcome,
right?
guys. Welcome, Wyndham. We're here for serve you guys.
So that's all about, right? And here we go. There's another guy. It's coming in. That's Ronald. And this is the resort over here. Again.
And then, the shield special we have 10 only. Okay?
So they have a briefing right now.
And after that, we
Yeah.
can go surf and turf. Same with the Valentine's that we serve.
Yeah, but wait, we go first 10,
Yeah.
and then we are finishing 10. We change.
Yeah. When that one finishes.
It's not a daily special, it's a weekly special.
That's the best. That's the best.
Weekly, huh? Not
Yeah.
daily.
In fact, there's a guest that asking today because they love the quinoa since yesterday, and then again, what can you do, right? Right, we'll be back in the car. Okay, before we end up in our video today, actually, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Mixology, and my Facebook page, the Mixology, and then my Instagram also. And I thank you so much, guys. I see you next. Thank you. Alright?